Welcome to Easy Lash Professional Eyelash Extension System. These lashes are of the highest quality. They are pre-curled with a tapered end and are glossy, flexible, durable and completely comfortable for the wearer. Easy Lash offers two types of curl, the B curl and the C curl. B curl maintains a natural curve for a more natural everyday look. C curl lashes have an increased curl and are for clients who want a more dramatic, luscious look. They are available in lengths 8mm all the way up to 14mm, and in thickness 0.15, 0.2 and 0.25mm. We supply a large selection of lashes. Synthetic lashes are the easiest lashes to learn with. They are quite stiff, so easier to pick up and place on the client's natural lashes. Silk lashes are lighter, softer and more flexible than synthetic lashes. Silk lashes hold their curl beautifully, simplifying daily grooming and aftercare. The most luxurious lashes on the market, Mink is known to be very light and soft, making them a more comfortable choice for the wearer. Mink lashes are perfect for those who have very thin natural eyelashes that have trouble supporting the weight of synthetic and silk. Camellia, Mink lashes with a twist. These trays allow you to place 3 lashes at once onto one natural eyelash. As they are only 0.07mm, there is no concern of damaging the natural lashes. This look of 3 sizes on one lash creates a very soft, natural yet full look. Knot-free flare lashes will give your clients the full-looking eyelashes they desire in half the time. Available in 8mm, 10mm and 12mm. We supply 6 different glues, all with different qualities. Different glues are needed depending on client sensitivity, strength needed and technician's speed. We also have special FDA medical grade glue with low fumes and less irritation. Start the treatment with a consultation. Discuss the desired length, thickness and style. Make sure your bed is properly prepared for your client and that you have all equipment ready for the treatment. If you use magnifying glasses, check to make sure they are correct for your eyes. Remove all traces of your client's makeup using our eyelash remover pads and our non-oily cleanser. Get your client to look back and place the anti-wrinkle gel patch over the client's bottom lashes. Make sure you cover them completely so the top lashes cannot touch them and stick together during application. If any lashes are sticking out, use surgical tape to hold them down. Once both pads are on, ask your client to close their eyes and keep them closed throughout the treatment. Also advise them not to talk during the treatment as this causes movement and will possibly move the eye pads. Put on some soothing music and let this be time for your client to relax. Place the surgical tape over the brows. This slightly lifts the lashes off the pad for easier application. This can be moved throughout the treatment. Place the U-band eyelash extensions holder on your finger with the 3 lengths you have chosen. Make sure they are the right size and curl for your client. The U-band holds the lashes upright so they can be picked up with ease and precision for quicker application. You should be using a minimum of 3 different sizes. 1 size for the inner corner of the eye, 1 for the main bulk of the lashes, and 1 for the outer lashes. These sizes should go up in 2 for a more natural look. For example, C curl 0.2mm by 8, 10 and 12mm. On another finger, put the smart ring glue holder with a small amount of glue. Always make sure that you wipe the bottle clean before replacing the cap, as this will ensure the glue does not dry out. Before starting the treatment, apply pre-treatment with a micro swab. This pre-treatment will prepare the natural lashes for maximum bonding. Now use an eyebrow comb to separate the natural lashes evenly. When picking up a single false lash with the tweezers, make sure the tapered end is pointing up. Dip the blunt end of the lash into the glue and run it through 2 or 3 times. Try to get 2/3 of the lash in the glue to ensure maximum adhesive. With your other hand, you will need to separate one single natural lash to place the false one on. Rub the false lash against the client's natural lash and place about 1 to 2 millimeters from the eyelid. The glue should not come into contact with the skin. Hold the lashes separate for a few seconds to ensure no other lashes will stick to it. If you do not separate the natural lashes, you can cause the lashes to stick together in clumps and damage the client's natural lashes. If your client has gaps in their lashes or very few lashes, you can use our selection of Y, W and V lashes. These knot-free lashes are bonded together in the shape of the letter stated. These lashes come in 0.12 millimeters by 12 millimeters and can be trimmed if needed for shorter areas. As they are only 0.12 millimeters, there is no chance of them damaging the client's natural lashes. They can also be used to make a set fuller for a more dramatic look. Use a reasonable amount of glue, not too little. If there is too little, the lash will not stay on for long. If there is too much, the lash will become too heavy and damage the client's natural eyelashes. This will come with practice. If your client has very sensitive eyes, make sure you are using the sensitive glue or soft glue. These glues have less fumes, which equals less irritation for your client. Glue needs to be stored in a cool, dry place. If stored in the fridge, it will need a few hours to bring it back to room temperature before use. We also supply 4 different types of tweezers depending on therapist's comfort. If there are a few excess bubbles on the lashes, they can be smoothed away with an upward motion of your tweezers. Also make sure that you clean your tweezers with glue debonder throughout the treatment so that the false lashes do not stick to them. Once you have applied several lashes, use the air blower for about 15 seconds to fix the glue. Continue doing this after each new section of lashes. Here are the V, Y and W lashes. V lashes include 2 single lashes that flare out to form a V formation. Comfortable and light, each cluster has 2 single strands joined with a knot-free base. The Y lash is created by intertwining 2 false strands into a single knot-free Y-shaped strand that can create a voluminous effect with just a small amount of lashes. Each W lash is comprised of 3 single knot-free lashes bonded together in the shape of the letter W. The W is great for those clients with large gaps in their lash line. Complete the work on one eye before starting on the other. Once the whole process has been completed, use the air blower or a mini fan to remove fumes from the glue. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure no eyelashes have stuck to the bottom pad. If so, flick them up with the point of the tweezers. After the application, apply after lash coating to protect the lashes from oil and moisture. This will not only extend the life of your client's lashes, but also gives the lashes a more vivid look. The afterlash coating can be used daily and is easily washed off with water. Now remove the surgical tape and pads. If your client feels any stinging or their eyes are watering, blot with a tissue and use the air blower or fan for a few more minutes. Your client can now open her eyes. Give them a mirror and show them their new eyelashes. Here is a few fun looks to add on for special occasions like balls and dress-up parties. Colour lashes highlight and brighten the eyes. Two-tone lashes gives a hint of colour and complements the client's natural eye colour. Diamante lashes give a luxurious red carpet look. Glitter lashes give glimmer and sparkle for those special occasions. Prepare the lashes the exact way you would for individual eyelash extensions. Dip the flare lash in the glue and wipe off any excess glue. Flares can hold more glue, which can cause clumps, create unnecessary weight and run into the eyes, so make sure you do remove the excess. Place the flare on 2 or 3 lashes around 1 to 2 millimeters from the eyelid. Place the base of the flares close to each other so there are no gaps when your client opens their eyes. Mink flares are great for a fast, cost-effective application. They give a natural yet full look and are light and comfortable for the wearer. There are 3 sizes depending on what look your client wants to achieve. 8mm, 10mm or 12mm. 8mm lashes will go on the inner corner of the eye, working your way out with the larger lashes. Complete the work on one eye before starting on the other. Once the whole process has been completed, use the air blower or a fan to remove fumes from the glue. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure no eyelashes have stuck to the bottom pad. If so, flick them up with the point of the tweezers. After the application, apply afterlash coating to protect the lashes from oil and moisture. This will not only extend the life of your client's lashes, but also gives the lashes a more vivid look. Now remove the surgical tape and pads. If your client feels any stinging or their eyes are watering, blot with a tissue and use the air blower or mini fan for a few more minutes. Your clients can now open their eyes. Give them a mirror and show them their new eyelashes. If you need to remove the lashes, place gel pads under the eyes so the gel glue remover does not touch the skin. The gel glue remover dissolves eyelash adhesive at incredible speed. Dip a micro swab into the gel glue remover and blot the excess moisture off. The micro swab will allow for a precise application to one individual lash without affecting the other surrounding lashes. This is great for infills. Move the swab up the lash until it disconnects. Then wipe the natural lash clean with a lint-free tip. If you are doing infills, you can fill in the areas needed as procedure after removal of loose or twisted lashes. Once lashes are removed, you can remove the gel pads and your clients can open their eyes. During the first 24 hours, avoid getting the lashes wet so the glue can dry thoroughly. Be gentle with your new lashes. Try to avoid rubbing your eyes too often. Avoid oil-based cleansers, lotions or eye makeup removers. These products will dissolve the glue's bonding agent. Instead, use plain water or water-based cleansers. Avoid waterproof mascara. The ingredients in this type of mascara will dissolve the bonding agent. Do not pick or pull the lashes. They should be removed by a lash technician. Schedule a backfill procedure in 2 to 4 weeks. Backfill is highly recommended in order to maintain a full lush lash line. It takes less time than the initial application and is at a reduced price.